Stop searching for sites to increase your TikTok followers. Because now I have brought you the best site to increase the number of followers for free. While you waste your time searching for fake websites, others are gaining dozens, hundreds, and even up to 1,000 followers for free. Today, you can get 20 free followers with every task you complete. Yes, that's right. You can gain hundreds of followers in just 1 hour. Every hour. As you can see, the website adds new tasks almost every hour. The website link is in the first comment and in the description. Don't miss this opportunity. Start now and gain followers quickly. The website is easy to use, as you'll see. To get started, we'll select the first category related to app downloads. After entering the correct information, a list of required apps will appear. For example, let's choose the first app. All you need to do is click the download button, then run the app for a few seconds. And just like that, you'll receive your followers. To download the app, click Continue, and it will be downloaded instantly. Once you complete the task, go back to the app list and continue with the tasks you want to complete. As soon as your request is processed, your followers will be sent to you gradually. And the more tasks you complete, the more followers you will earn. More tasks mean more rewards. The website link is in the first comment or in the description. Don't forget to stay updated and share your experience in the comments. Thank you for participating.